juicy and super cool. Fruits help us grow and feel strong at school. Let's meet some fruity friends. This is an apple, red and round, crunchy and sweet with a crispy sound. It helps your teeth and heart stay strong and gives you energy all day long. Eat one daily, it's the smart way, keeps you healthy every day. This is a banana, soft and yellow, easy to peel, a friendly fellow. It gives you power to jump and run, a perfect snack for loads of fun. Good for muscles and for play, bananas brighten up your day. This is an orange, juicy and bright. Peel it open, what a delight. It's full of vitamin C, you see, to help you fight off a cough or sneeze. A slice or juice, it's up to you. It keeps your skin and body new. This is a grape, tiny and sweet. A bunch of grapes is a tasty treat. They help your brain and body grow with energy that's nice and slow. Red, green, or purple, take your pick. Pop them in and eat them quick. This is a strawberry, bright and red, with tiny seeds and a leafy head. Full of goodness, soft and sweet. It's one of the best fruits you can eat. It helps your skin and makes you glow, and helps your brain to learn and grow. This is a mango, golden and fun, juicy and sticky in the sun. It's rich in vitamins A and C to help you see and keep you healthy. Eat it sliced or make a shake. Mangoes are a yummy break. This is a pineapple, tall and bold, with spiky skin and fruit like gold. It helps you heal and feel your best. It gives your tummy a gentle rest. Sweet and sour, it's a treat. One tasty fruit you'll love to eat. This is a kiwi, fuzzy and brown, but inside it wears a green crown. It's full of fiber and vitamin C to help your body work happily. Scoop it out, it's soft and cool. Kiwis make a perfect fuel. This is a peach, soft and round, with fuzzy skin and a juicy sound. It helps your body feel so light and keeps your eyes and skin so bright. A summer fruit that's oh so neat. Peaches are the perfect treat. That's our fruity rhyme today. So many reasons to eat and play. Fruits are tasty, fresh and fun, and give you power to jump and run. So pick a fruit and take a bite. Stay happy, healthy, and full of life.
See you again with more to learn and sing.